Hey there, lovebirds. Want to take your relationship to the next level while staying fit? Today, we're sharing the best workouts for couples that will boost your bond, torch calories, and have you both feeling unstoppable. Best workouts for couples strengthen your relationship and your bodies. Did you know that couples who work out together report higher relationship satisfaction? Whether it's the endorphins, teamwork, or just cheering each other on, exercising with your partner is a game changer. Start with partner yoga, a relaxing way to build trust, improve flexibility, and deepen your connection. Remember, it's about balance and trust, not perfection. Next up, bodyweight workouts. These require no equipment and are perfect for syncing up your moves. Keep the energy up by counting reps together or racing to see who can last longer. Add some resistance to your relationship, literally. Resistance bands are compact, affordable, and perfect for couple workouts. Want to get your heart racing? Try couple cardio. Cardio sessions are great for teamwork and an instant mood boost. Who says workouts can't be fun? Learn a dance routine together. Turn on your favorite playlist and let loose. Before you hit the gym or park, here are some quick tips for successful couple workouts. 1. Set goals together, stay on the same page. 2. Encourage, don't criticize, celebrate progress, big or small. 3. Mix it up, try new exercises weekly to keep it exciting. Remember, it's not about competition, it's about connection. Fitness isn't just about building strength, it's about building memories. These workouts aren't just exercises, they're moments that bring you closer. Which workout will you try first? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on fitness, love, and lifestyle. See you next time.